Okay, guys, leaving the shelter. It's pouring the rain. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, there's the preview. The shelter was down there, and it's point for about a half a mile back up the trail. They do not make it easy, and it's uphill. They were about 5 men plus me last night. So there's one guy still down there getting ready. Everybody else done up and left. So I'm gonna get out here and I'll be back shortly. Well, guys, I just took a fall. I am nasty. Got dirt all over me. My legs. But nothing's bleeding. Could have been worse. It's going to be a slippery day today. So I don't know how much I'll get filmed today, but I'll try to do as much as I can. I'll take my pack off and everything to stand back up. Okay. I'm almost up to the top, I think. That's one thing about rain, it's slippery. Yeah, I assessed. Nothing scraped, cut. So thank God. Or that I could see. Okay, I'm going to jump off here and get on up here to the top. See y'all in a minute. I'm going to show y'all this tree. I wonder if lightning hit it or something. Oh, it's all the way up and all the way down. And it's split. Huh. I didn't notice it coming down. But I say it was like that. That's another, goes all the way around it. I can get over here without falling again. See? Well, okay. Let's try to get out of here without falling again. Oh, Jesus. I'm still climbing up to the... Oh, I'm at the trail. Okay, I see the white place. Okay, guys. It's going to be a wet, dreary day. Let's hope we don't have no bad rock scrambles. There's the sun. And I go this way. Okay. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Let me check and see how far I gotta go to the next shelter. Okay, guys, here's a little bit of a view. I gotta get a drink of water. My trail's mud puddle. My feet's wet. Clothes are still wet. A little bit wet. Poncho. Sometimes when I try to film earlier, it was raining so hard hitting the camera couldn't do nothing with it. Okay. It seems like it's laid up a little bit. I'm gonna get a drink of water and get on down the trail. Okay. Guys, what do you do when the trail's a river? You just keep on walking, whether it's in it or out. And it's been worse. 1.3 to the shelter. So even that, you got step in it. I'm wet, cold. Jesus, violent about to fall. Okay, we'll get off here. Be back shortly.